Award-winning websites are often a work of art. And as a web designer, it could be a dream to create websites like what we see on Awwward.com. But do they perform well? Are they going to help the websites that we're building, or could they actually cause harm? Let's take a look at practical designs versus award-winning designs. Compare the two and see which one will perform better. Awwward.com, this is where a lot of us go to find inspirations and basically to salivate over incredible designs. These truly are work of arts. I mean, check this out. I mean, as a web designer and a web creator, it could only be a dream to reach this kind of a level to build something like this. I mean, this is just absolutely incredible. Just to do a little something like this effect with these clouds. I mean, any one of us that really truly appreciates web design could appreciate the craftsmanship and the skills that went into something like this. But I mean, let's keep it real. Looking at it as a web designer, I think this is phenomenal. It is art to me, but I have no idea what this website is for. And often when I am going through sites in here and looking for my inspiration, I find that a lot of them follow the same theme. A lot of load time because there is a lot of code that needs to load to go into something like this, and very difficult usability. Like for an example, I just been scrolling here for about 10 seconds and like it looks dope, but is this actually going to help the business out? And what is the purpose of creating a design in a website at this kind of level with these kind of interactions, these type of animations? Let's take a look now on the complete opposite side of the spectrum. And here is a very practical design. This is a practical website. It loads very, very fast. It is really easy to read. You can see exactly what it is for. It focuses on the content. And if you do want to explore other pages, it loads instantly. So, there's that. It's easy to use, easy to read, probably a lot easier to update, easy to bounce around and to get to where you need to go to versus, let's say, another website in a similar niche. Again, phenomenal work that went into this. The development, the design is extraordinary, but it's also hard to read. It's hard to understand. And in fact, the designer in me wants to create these high-level designs. And I love it. I love the art behind design. But then on the practical side of everything, I'm looking at what is going to best help my clients and their business. What's going to deliver the best results? Well, there is a time and place for these type of high-level websites. And you got to think, well, what brand is going to benefit from a work of art versus something that is very easy to use, very fast, and has really good content with clear focuses on how to navigate to call to actions and get conversions. As a web designer, you might want to showcase your work. And this is where I feel still trying to learn award-winning websites and still striving for this level is something that a web creator should do because it's going to push you to build your skills. But when we get a project for a client, we got to look at what's going to help that client best. Back over to our practical website. This here is built for conversions. It's built for the end user to quickly understand, quickly navigate through. And this is a very good website. Even though the design is not like award winning, it's still clean. It's easy to read. And at the end of the day, a website is really just a fancy way of putting content together in a very strategical method with a clear call to action. Now, there are other examples as well. I found some from Awwwards that have clean designs and are reaching more of a medium between practical and super creative. So this is a pretty good example, but it's still a bit more on the hyper creative side when we start to get into these kind of animations. Again, super, super dope. And this, I feel, will play a role in something very specific. I could see building this for a project, but it has to be for the right purpose. Like we have to have a clear purpose for something like this. Now, let's take a look at one more example. And this falls right into the same market as my practical design. This right here is what you could strive for if you want to keep it practical, focused on conversions, but still flex your design skills, still get extra creative and do more, making it stand out, looking like a higher level website. This is Very similar niche, kind of same things that's being offered as our other practical design, but it's also following more modern designs. Like you could tell this is designed at a very high level, and there's clear call to actions here. It's really easy to understand what this is. I mean, you can see here, let's go to the home page. It's your time, it's your health. This banner is actually super good for conversions. This is a great example of good content mixed with really good design at a bit of a higher level. Again, not crazy with all the scrolling, but enough to make an impact and to show we can still get creative, we can still do more like they do right here. But they're doing it in a way that is easy to understand. It is easy to see what is being offered, and then most importantly, how to start. Look at clear call to actions, really easy to use. And in fact, as soon as I'm back in the States later this year, you know, I live in Thailand. When I go back, I am going to sign up for this because after looking at it, I was sold right away. And that is because of the way the design and the content and the way everything has been put together, highlighted the benefits, the deal. I see this is exactly the type of stuff that I like right here. And look at everything was nice and clear. I was able to find out information really easily. I was able to see exactly what I am going to get from this. This is really well done right here. I was sold. I'm buying into it for sure. And then again, our practical site. This is really going to do well for this business. And I might be a little biased, but I am a customer of this brand right here. I've gone over there because I am into health and I'm into biohacking and just trying to live a more healthy lifestyle. And this website gave me exactly what I needed to find out what it is, how to use it, what am I going to get out of it versus going in here and, you know, super beautiful. Again, a work of art, but trying to understand it, trying to use it. And then don't even get me started on accessibility. I know there are going to be comments on accessibility. Look at these are works of art right here. It's not built to be accessible, but also you just got to keep in mind, these most of the time aren't also built to convert and to generate leads and generate sales. But again, you got to think what is best for the business, what's going to get the best results. And in my opinion, it's usually the practical design, but we could still flex our design skills and our creativity as seen in our examples. But don't go overboard with a bunch of crazy stuff unless there is a very specific purpose. So what are your thoughts? I would love to hear from you. Go ahead and drop those inside of the comments. And if you did find value in this, and don't forget that good YouTube stuff. You know the deal. Like and subscribe. I do appreciate the support. That's it for this one. I'll catch you in the next one.